Hello everyone, my name is Garrett Herman and I'm the second generation on this farm. I thought I'd make a YouTube channel just to show everyone a year in the life of me on a small farm. Currently raising steers from bottle to finish. Dairy steers and dairy Angus cross. Before that, my father started this farm in 1988 and he milked cows until 2013. He milked 54 Holstein cows, and he was getting older, and his back and his neck and everything with an old dairy farmer was giving out. And I was 18 years old, and he asked me if I wanted to continue this, and I said that I loved farming. I loved milking cows, or not milking cows, but I loved feeding the milk cows, raising heifers, doing field work on the farm, but I just didn't enjoy milking cows. And he said, well, I don't want to milk cows anymore because my body just can't. And the market was kind of shit at the time. And he said, but I too, I don't want to be done farming. So this is what we decided on. We converted our old milk barn to some free stalls and converted it over to finish out steers. Just thought I'd make this video. I'm gonna post a video maybe once a week, what I'm doing, how things are going. It's currently December 28th, 25. So starting in January, I'll take you from January all the way through to the next year and show you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, from feeding to fixing to field work and all of it in between. If you're interested, follow along, subscribe and like, and I'm looking forward to it.